smoke mad trees, man. Bitch, leave me alone, man. Sitting in my room, breathing in that THC. I got my mind on my motives, niggas can't see me. I stay walking on my cloud, keep my head up in the moon. That's just where I be tripping. Yeah, I see y'all soon. Get up out my face, what that bullshit y'all talking. I'm drunk right now, I'm just letting my words walk on the beat like DJ Uncle. Make y'all dance, move your feet. Bitches love my shit when they see me. Bitches hate my shit sometimes because it's real. When niggas hate my shit because they cannot feel it. Cause these niggas are not real niggas. Skinny jean wearing ass, pussy ass tip niggas. Wait, Mike Myers, killer beat, never retire. Brett Favre, AP, Adrian Peterson, running through these tackles. Block me, don't think so. Juggernaut, wrestle, tassel, kill it, no lasso. I feel it, rapping circle on their minds, and then I pull it, then I kill them, snap their necks up on the beat. Better respect what I speak. You see, I teach every time up on the beat. It's like I preach, and I'm just freestyling off my TIP, bitch. Do you get that shit? I'm DRUNK, nigga. How you feel? I sitting in my couch, just getting high with my what's good, what's good. Oh. And all these bitches really love me. These niggas really hate me, but I don't give a fuck. I'm so patient, waiting for that money just to grace me. Thank you, Lord, just for saving me. And even though he's forsaken, walking through the valley of the shadow of death, I'm scared of nobody. Battle me, nigga. Please back off me. Raise up off of my NUTs. Armageddon, this is warfare. 2012 flow. Lucky if you know everything that I'm spitting, such a precise flow. Everything I'm saying, I'm spitting is kind of futuristic, slightly twisted with these blunts that I've been piffing. Plus I'm drinking, so my system is feeling kind of tipsy like a whirlwind. Like a whirlwind. And I really give a fuck. Give a fuck. Bitches, it's Lunar Records, better respect it. Snap 1 and 2 up on the beat, bitch. This is Lunar Records, you better respect this. Freestyling like I don't give a fuck. Feeling like a feel. And yeah, I'm feeling drunk. Fuck what y'all thinking. Fuck y'all opinions. They all like assholes, y'all assholes in my opinion. Ha. Do you get that shit? Cohesive with what I'm spitting. Everybody know I'm sitting, chilling up a pie on the moon. And these niggas know I'm coming to your homes real soon. Freestyling like 3 minutes straight, and I'ma do this till the day. Beat hits the grave. Oh, me, I walk above it. Y'all talk about me, niggas can't stall me. Walk around me like I'm a G. Niggas know me when they see me in MAC. H, better respect this. They hate because they can't let us up in the top, but we gon' take it like without a breathless. Like we breathless. If these niggas talking shit, then fuck it. We don't respect it, cause it's nothing in. They frontin' half the time. These gangsters actors, nigga wanksters, they ain't cousins. They ain't reppin' that cuss shit. Crippin' respect for everybody that does it. Blood with no respect for that shit, cause it isn't nothing. Kill this beat and leave that blood straight up flooding. Yeah.